Guatemala, a land of green forests, guarded by mighty volcanoes and eternal spring. Welcome to Guatemala, the heart of the Maya world.
As you hike through tropical forests, you can hear the howling of the Saraguate monkey. It's kind of a chilling sensation. Nothing compares to sitting on top of the Serpiente de Dos Cabezas pyramid in complete silence while contemplating the dawn at a height of 230 feet. Then, I boarded a 4x4 that took me to Yasha, an ancient city located at the margins of a virgin lake. A magical, authentic, and unique experience.